You think that I should calm down?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jan, and guess what? I am going to create this glass makeup look. So when you ask me, Jan, what is glass look? So glass look is a Korean trend, yeah. Basically, glass look means you look flawless. Flawless. I'm saying poreless, luminous. You know this Korean look, like this Korean face. I'm saying that they have this like porcelain, beautiful, flawless skin, which is I don't have. So since we don't have this kind of Korean skin, we are going to recreate one, you know what I'm saying? So basically we are going to fake that thing, you know what I'm saying? So as you guys can see, my face is, I think now it's getting good. It's getting better. I think I'm maybe close to glass look. And that's my biggest insecurity, y'all. Having a beautiful, flawless, like Korean skin. So today we are going to recreate one because we don't have it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's create this glass look. So let's do it from this to this. How about that? You know what I'm saying? As you guys can see, I already have my brows done. Because you know brows is a serious thing to do. For my brows, I use a Browies because I want to look this brows natural as possible. So now I already washed my face, but I haven't cleansed my skin nor moisturized them. So let's do it. This product here, this is what I put in my face in the morning. For reference, I have an oily combination skin. So for my cleanser, I am using Clarins here. This is the alcohol-free toner. And after that, we are going to move on to my eye cream. So for my eye cream, I am using this All About Eyes from Clinique. And you see how I love them? Almost out. This is very good for dark circles and puffing. And I always apply that into my eyelids as well. Since our skin is cleansed, we are going to use some serum. So for my serum, I am using the Vanish Oil. And this thing is really good. I'm going to just drop here. Oh.
And then I'm over.
Vitamin C is really good for evening out our skin tone, brightens our face. So I'm just going to pat this. Okay. After that, we are going to use my moisturizer. So for my moisturizer, I am using my Clinique Moisture Surge Extended Thirst Relief because my skin is very thirsty. So we are going to moisturize.
Everything about you.
And after that, I am using my Moisture Surge Face Spread. This is from Clinique. So after our Moisture Surge, I am using now my Clinique Even Better. And this has SPF 20 in it. I always use SPF, and especially that I apply vitamin C. SPF is really important in our skin. And this one as well, it will help evening out my skin tone. Now we are going to move into the magical part, is saying. Since glass look is luminous. So since this look is all about luminosity, poreless, and stuff like that, we need to look like that. For that, taking my Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So let's do this. I'm just going to apply that here and apply this here. And after that, we are going to move on to other primer. Because why not? I'm going to use my Becca Backlight Primer. That's good.
Like we are.
This forehead is shining, girl. Alright. Oh my god. Like, girl, I'm already glowing, I'm saying. So since our skin is already prepped and primed, we are going to move forward in our foundation. So for my foundation, I am mixing this two. This is my NARS Radiant and my Laura Mercier Flawless Foundation. Radiant and Flawless. I'm going to put it one palm, like that. And I am using my NARS. This much. Yes, this much. I'm going to buff this in my skin using my Morphe E6. This brush is really good, so I'm using this. So my goal for my foundation here is just to cover those imperfections, like I'm saying.
But I don't know that much about
So taking my Real Technique sponge, I'm going to just pat that in my skin.
What things you like?
Alright, for my concealer, I'm using my favorite concealer, and this is from Anastasia. And I like this because it's so creamy and it's not dry.
It's not that long.
And let's buff everything.
Since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out.
So to set this under eye, I'm using the Laura Mercier. I don't want them to look matte, but I'm just gonna dust them like a little bit.
Work it out before I'm doing this.
For my eyes, I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Bar. This one for my crease, and this one
I should
all over
probably
my lips.
ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted?
Alright, so after that, what I'm gonna do now is I'm taking that color, this one.
For credit, will you love me?
There's nothing special really in this eyelids because I just want them to like glow as well. Alright, and now we are going to move on into our blush. For this look, I am not using a powder blush, but I am using this stick blush. So what I have here, I have a Maybelline Master Glaze, and I have a NYX stick blush. I'm going to use this too. So the NYX is a Tea Rose and Just Pinch Pink. So using my flat brush from Sigma, I'm going to mix this too. I'm going to dab that there.
I know I'm feeling something for you.
And you don't want to put a lot because you want this natural as possible. You know what I'm saying? Like I have this tan skin, so I always make sure I'm not gonna go overboard with my blush because it looks ridiculous. Okay, so we're good with that. And now for my highlighter, this one here, I got this from Marshall's, and I don't know what's the name, but here it says Lip and Cheek Stick and Sunkissed. It looks like this. So I'm going to use this using the same flat brush. So I'm going to pat that here and just run here and then in my forehead just to create those, you know, luminosity. I'm saying. So yes, we're going to pat that in there.
The way you look, the way you laugh, and
We
how
want
you
that, okay?
move. It kinda makes
Now
me
let
go
me just go ahead and powder a little bit. I'm not gonna bronze or anything, but there's only one thing I can't really get over with, which is I need to contour my nose. So I'm going to contour that real quick and I'll be back. Yeah, so contouring nose is a must for me. Nose is, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So for my eyes, I am going to use this one.
Take it slow, work things out so you
To open up my eyes, I'm going to use the Butter Pecan.
I don't wanna get hurt.
So for my mascara, I'm using my Tarte's Brow.
Before I'm doing this thing, I should probably
After that, I'm going to pop my falsies, and this is from Ardell Wispies, and this is my favorite. So yeah, all right, and now let's move on to our lips. So for my lipstick, I am using a Benetint from Benefit, and this is like a lip and cheek tint, and I'm going to use my Dior as well. This is a cheek and lip glow, so I'm going to use this too. I am using the Benetint first.
all my questions, get to know you better.
Now I am using my Dior.
Will you take me for granted?
So let me just go ahead and fix my hair and I'll be back. Okay guys, so our makeup is done and my hair is down. And yeah, this is my version of a glass look. So you know, like luminous. It looks like I don't have a pores, but you know, they're hiding and I hide them. And I love how it turns out. So I mean, if we don't have glass look, we can create one. Like, you know what I'm saying? So to be able to get this glass skin, skincare is the key. So yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. And if you like this look, please don't forget to like, you guys. Show me some love and don't forget to subscribe. And let's be friends, cause why not? And don't forget to turn on your notifications on for more videos from me. And thank you guys all so much. And I love you guys all so much. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!
just